What's going on, YouTube family and friends? What we came to talk about here in today's video is PHUN. If you did catch my video on my second YouTube channel, which I was saying PHUN or DJT, which is the safer hold before the election, in that video I let everyone know that PHUN is going to present a wider range of gains, but it is also going to present a wider range of retracement. Stick around, I'm going to go in deeper detail on that subject. Also, DJT, we are approaching those $34 to $37 levels here this week, but could this cause the gamma squeeze that we all have been waiting for? Stick around, I'm going to explain to you everything, but before we do so, let's face it, you can be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Grandmaster Obi. And stop missing out on these home run alerts and get over to our Discord immediately. I alerted GNPX for an entry price of 80 cents, for that price target being 88 cents. Plus, I alerted this yesterday at 8:33 a.m. early off in the trading day. And as you guys can see here, GNPX ran its high here today as $3.97 again from that alert entry of 80 cents just yesterday. And this is what you call a home run play, and you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is do what the bottom of the screen says: join the Discord now by dropping in that description below, clicking that Discord link, and from there, just let the gains begin. Now, what we came to talk about here, force of course, and that is PHUN. If you're currently holding PHUN, let me know in the comment section below. I made a video letting everyone know that we are going to reach and breach those $9 levels well before the election. Today, we run as high as that $12.68. Now, if you have been keeping up with the channel, this is something that we expected to see here this week, and that's those $9 levels. But to our surprise, we have broken that barrier with ease. Now, where do we go from here? As you all know, shorts have been hitting PHUN and DJT with confidence. Today, we do see net inflow and favorment. Not only that, yesterday's short sell analysis coming off of a total of 687 shares were sold short. Now, you have to take into consideration, ladies and gentlemen, this short sell ratio was 10.31%, which we consider yesterday an aggressive short selling day. And with today's pre-market price action only caused a forced short cover situation on those short positions taken here yesterday that is being carried over here on today's trading. As you guys can see, if we go take a brief look and check out the 15-minute chart, this pre-market buying pressure that we did receive here basically put huge pressure on any short positions that was taken here throughout the trading day, due to the fact that the share price is way beyond those short positions, which ultimately caused today's short cover wave. And seeing as though that the huge volume that we got here in PHUN on the day so far, it's more than likely that we're going to get another day of huge short positions taken here in PHUN. But I do believe that we're going to have a much higher total short count due to the spike in total volume. Have to take in consideration here, yesterday the total volume was only 6.67 million. So far, ladies and gentlemen, we're at 33.5 million. So it is safe to say that today's short sale ratio, the short sale ratio shouldn't be as high as yesterday, but the total short volume should. We're seeing short positions being covered throughout the trading day, same as being placed. So we're seeing a short cover wave, obviously, and this thing can continue over to tomorrow. I will be updating you guys again on PHUN here later today, a little bit after lunch, on my second YouTube channel. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys get over here, and when you do subscribe, please take the time out and make sure those post notification bell is set to all, so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos. And back to PHUN. So it is looking bright on the day. I do feel as though that PHUN stands a very great chance to cross those $13 levels. I don't think this thing has seen its peak just yet. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, of course, is DJT. And if you're holding DJT, can you please comment in the comment section below DJT? And if you're holding PHUN alongside DJT, can you comment holding both? Okay, I just want to know how many people hold either one of them or both. I really do think majority of you guys are currently holding both, so it's going to be very interesting to see what you guys have to say about that. But yeah, in yesterday's video, I'll let everyone know that PHUN will offer a wider range of gain here in DJT, but it comes with a cost, and that cost is a higher risk due to the wider range of retracement. With DJT having a market cap much higher than PHUN, as well as a much higher share float, it's going to take much more buying backed by volume to move DJT share price in either direction, buying or selling in that case. But what DJT actually has going for itself, it is the main Donald Trump stock. And like I told you guys before, the closer that we get towards the election, the more volatile and the higher risk this trade becomes. Like I said previously, this is not a long-term stock at all. In fact, DJT is only a simple trade, okay? With that being said, you do not want to dive in deep at these prices. In fact, I will only use 10% of my buying pressure to get my feet wet here in DJT. But expectations here for this week, the $34 to $37 price range should be hit here by the end of the day tomorrow. I do see a multi-day running situation here for these two stocks. As you guys can see here, we're forming that cup here in DJT. I do feel as though that cup is going to bring us towards those $35 levels. And then we should form that handle for our next leg up. Now, far as DJT's share price before presidential election, I know we're looking for $34 to $37 levels, but it seems as though that we're going to reach that here early off this week. So the pre-election price target for DJT, I am raising the bar to $43. DJT is moving with a lot of momentum, and I know a few days ago made a lot of retail investors afraid. We did fall short of our gamma squeeze expectations here in DJT, but it seems as though that we may get another shot at forcing a gamma squeeze here in DJT this week. I will be going in a deeper detail on the gamma squeeze situation for DJT in a video later here on my second YouTube channel, so check that out. I'm just going to give you guys a quick briefing on the likelihood. As you guys can see here, $35. We do have an open interest of 5,000, but the biggest open interest here, price point, we got a nice amount at 40. So the numbers aren't currently pointing to a gamma squeeze for the 1025. Far as the 1001s though, like I told you guys before, a great call contract for DJT would be that 1001 at that $30 strike, and that thing is way in the money. But yeah, guys, it's not looking as though that DJT is set up for a gamma squeeze just yet. But as the days roll on here this week, I do expect for that open interest on that $35 strike to increase drastically. And if that does happen, let's say we see the open interest shoot around 20K, and we're seeing share prices $38 to $39 by Thursday, then, ladies and gentlemen, we are definitely in gamma squeeze territory in DJT. I do feel as though that it's a strong possibility that may play out. I just wanted to make you guys aware on the price points and price ranges that we do want to land in order to force that gamma squeeze, but we do need the open interest to pick up drastically here on that 2025 for the $35 strike. Currently, it's at 5.29 thousand. I do feel as though that we may actually see this thing double here by the end of the day tomorrow. So with that being said, if you haven't already, guys, make sure you smash that like button. Also, get over to the Discord, okay? You do not want to miss out on any of these home run plays that I'm throwing out each and every day. Pretty darn consistent with these alerts, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're looking for a great Discord that you can be a part of, just get over to the Making Easy Money Discord. We're very active during trading hours and after trading hours. And that's about it. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.